What's up, guys?
Hi.
Frank Cole here. This is my daughter, Camerlyn.
Hello.
I'm the author of the Potion Master series, and today we're gonna make potions. We're gonna make sticky potion, a.k.a.
slime.
I've never made this before, right?
Yeah.
And you've made millions. Show me what to do.
Okay, so choose your glue.
I will choose clear.
I will also choose glue. So pour the entire thing in.
Okay. I'm gonna put one little bit of this in there.
Ooh, that's gonna be cool. Yep.
So mix it up.
Add a little bit more color.
Or maybe I'll just make a little rose ball like that. That's kind of cool. Let's stay like that or no?
No.
Okay. Then I'll...
So you choose your atoms.
We have these little foam balls.
Yeah. You can put as much as you want.
But what happens if you put a lot in?
Well, if you put a lot in, when you activate it, it's gonna be really stiff and you can't stretch it or...
And then we also have Googly Eyes. I'm gonna make Googly Eye slime potion. Will you be able to see the Googly Eyes?
It might appear once in a while. It'll be like a surprise slime.
Ooh, okay. And we also have some glitters.
Oh, I know which one I want to use. I want to use the white one.
Oh, okay. Good choice. I'm gonna use silver.
Packet of glitter, you can use.
Oh, we'll do that. This is already gonna be insanely weird.
Mix it
So
good.
this is how mine looks.
There you go.
Pretty good.
And then this is how mine looks.
No googly eyes, just foam balls.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the magicalness.
And what is
how-
this?
This is activator.
Activator.
This is borax, just like a half a teaspoon of borax to a cup of water. You can just kind of eyeball it, I guess, just
Well-
like so.
What happens if you heat these up while you're doing it?
If you heat it up, like, what do you mean heat it
Like
up?
if you had like a Bunsen burner beneath it and you added heat to it.
It'll probably melt.
Oh. So Cameron, have you read some of the Potion Master series?
I have.
What was your favorite potion that Goldie
Um,
makes?
I think my favorite was the torpor tonic.
Yeah, I like a torpor tonic. It's kind of his go-to potion. Torpor tonic knocks people out. It's kind of like you throw it at their feet or throw them, hit them with it or spray them in the face.
And they like
knocks them.
faint.
Yeah, they faint.
So cool.
Yeah.
A little.
Oh, it's like big boogers.
So a little hack when you're about to like play with your slime, or like you put it when you're about to touch your slime. Put some activator on your hands.
It's got to be done.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Like stir it and then let me see. Not quite.
Are you kidding me? That's ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what do? I get it off this,
Yeah.
and then I should put it, and then I just pick it up.
Yeah.
I feel like
Boogers.
boogers and snot.
And then if you have any extra glue, you can make another one after this. But I don't know. My dad wants to.
Eating my wedding ring.
No, it's not.
It is. This is wearing me out.
Yeah, it's supposed to. It's a good arm muscle.
Exercise?
Yes, not arm muscle.
Yeah, that's right.
So if you want muscles in your arms and you want to do exercise, make slime every single day.
Okay, we're going down here. Ah, yes.
Oh, there's our doggo.
For those that have ever seen my school presentation, this is the dog that screamed in my face.
It's the best story ever.
So is it slime now for sure?
Yeah.
It's not sticking to my hand anymore. How did that happen? Oh, yeah! It's sticking.
So here's mine. It's kind of like a purple now because it has...
There it is.
Are you going to name yours?
I am.
It's going to be called...
I'm going to call it the Boogerator.
And mine's going to be called... Drizzly Doop.
Drizzly
Drizzly Goop.
Drizzly Goop. The Boogerator and Drizzly Goop. Thanks for watching, guys. Mine's coming apart again.
It's not.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Yeah, all that good stuff. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
See ya.